Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set timer for taking photos in the camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, open camera in your phone. I open camera and to set timer for taking photo, you have to click here. Click this icon. Okay. Here you can set the timing. 2 seconds. 2 second is available. Then next 5 second is available and 10 second is available. Okay. So up to 10 seconds you can set the timer. So after pressing the shutter button here, it will take 10 seconds to capture. Okay. So this will be useful when you are taking a photo, and if you want to get the timer, for example, you are the person who are taking the photo, but you have to be in the frame. That means just you can say, but you are using the back camera only. So you can just click on the shutter button, and then you can go to the frame within 10 seconds. Okay. So it is easy way of taking photo without help of any other. Okay. Up to 10 second is available. Okay. If you want shorter time, you can use 2 seconds only. See here, only within 2 seconds it will be captured. Okay. So in this way you can easily set timer for taking photos in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.